Hi everyone, it's Carrie over at Double Click. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I am hosting my third monthly challenge. I cannot believe that it has been already 2 months. Thank you to everyone that has been entering my challenges. I appreciate your support so much. I'm going to quickly go through the rules on how you can enter, and then I will show you the project that I created and this month's new dewdrop release. The theme for this month, which is June 2023, is Sky's the Limit. Anything up in the sky. It could be clouds, sunshine, birds, planes, anything that's sky related. You do not have to mail your project in, and you do not have to use dewdrops. To enter, do a VR showing your project using the theme of the month. Please tag me at DoubleClickConnect, and please use the hashtag DoubleClickConnectChallenge. Leave a comment and be a subscriber. This challenge will be open all month long until the next challenge. You can enter as often as you would like. The prize will be a bag of dewdrops. This is the prize for the June Sky's the Limit challenge. We have 4 different colors, 10 of each. And I will draw a winner each month. This is not sponsored. You must be 18 years or older. The prize is for US only, but anyone can enter. If you do not post on YouTube, you can follow and tag me on Instagram. Post any project within the theme. It does not have to be paper crafting related. And if you check out the hashtag, you'll be able to see other crafty YouTubers that are joining in the fun. All right, so first let's get on to the project that I created this month. Here is my sunshine card. It's so adorable. I love making sunshines. Let me show you the supplies that I used to create this. From the Doodle Charms Cricut cartridge, I used the sun with the blackout. I used my Peachy Keen face stamps to stamp the face. And I did do just a little bit of chalking to give her face more details. I have some eyelash trim behind her. The Have a Sunshiny Birthday is from this set from Dosarella, Summertime. This is a great summer set. For the trim, I used the yellow from here, the yellow rickrack from this dollar store one, and this blue ruffle that I've had in my stash for years. I had some blue vellum paper that I punched out with this big cloud punch. And Gloria and Sharon from Cheek to Chic had been posting some projects using vellum, and I dug through my stash and I found this really old K & Company vellum tape. I did use that behind the clouds and you really can't see it, so it worked out good. I did staple behind there just to keep it secure to the background. Here is the color dewdrop that I used, is this really pretty blue, as well as this yellow. And let me show you this month's release. We have this really gorgeous dark and light yellow, this caramel, this beautiful blue, and this clover. Gorgeous colors for this month. I love them so much. This is how the dewdrops will be sent out. I send a sample of dewdrops with every order, and these are currently listed in my Etsy shop. It's $5 for the whole set. I thank you guys so much for joining in my hashtag. I hope you're enjoying it as much as I am. I'm really starting to use my stash, and I've been having a lot of fun visiting and getting all good ideas from everyone that's been posting. I hope to see your entry into this month's Sky's the Limit theme. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, and have a great day. Bye guys.